Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about how to lay down on the board and how to do the 3 steps to stand up on the board so you can start to ride some beautiful waves. So first we need to understand that the board has some measures and our body should be laying down exactly on the middle of it. So first thing, we lay down on the board. We have this small trick, which is your toes touching the tail of the board, like I explained in the last video. You lay down your body in the middle of it, and I want your hands a little bit behind your shoulders, so you can do the first step, which is the extension of the arms. Second step, bend over your knee with a full foot on the board. And the third step is kicking the other foot between our hands. In this video we can see extension of the arms, lifting the back knee and pushing your front foot between your hands so you can manage your balance. In this video you can see the surfer doing the pop-up in a more fluent movement. After this we cannot surf with our body too much laying down, so we need to push our upper body up, not too much straight, so our knees should be in a line with our shoulders, our hip in a line with our heels. The front hand straight forward and the back hand by the side, to make sure that you can manage your balance during the ride of the wave. Always looking forward. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned. Please keep following us to the next videos.